heating up and cooking the steamer. Just takes the longest time. Pan here. Bao, we're gonna steam that. These are a pack of 8. Now they come in I've noticed, I had to buy these from IGA, a different grocery store. Now they come in a pack of 16. I was just doing this because I was at my fish. I might use this salad kit. This is Thai style instead of the slaw. You can use either, but the Thai style you can turn into a salad as well, which I can show you. Now, this comes with a carrot mizuna Thai style dressing and crispy onions. A bowl. I'm a massive fan of it. Okay. So that's half. This is a lot less stuff in here than the coleslaw. So you just make this noodles, add some, so they're not noodles. These ones are onions, fried onions. Get a little bit of this dressing, just open that. I'm just gonna go into the pantry and we're just gonna grab some noodles, like dry, what are they called? Fried noodles. Oh, maybe I'll do the other ones. These are so good. Just, you know, another little kid of crunch. Like that. I have a Vietnamese noodle salad in First Things First. That's super healthy and simple. But this is like a hack on that, like this. And usually what I do with these, I don't like capsicum, is add some rice noodles. Some like, the same kind of like the pad thai, but like thinner, vermicelli noodles into there, and that's amazing. Great salad. We're just gonna add some chicken to that, it'll be fantastic. Okay. Great for summer, spring, cooler weather. Here I just have chicken breast. And all we're doing is I'm just gonna cut it so it's not as thick so that we can pan fry it. Cut it again later, but it cooks a lot quicker, the kind of the thinner the slices, right? My hair from this wig. I did see in chat, did someone ask me if this was my real hair? I thought I saw something about the wig. Yes, it is 100% a wig over my hair.